We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
Zhang Dianwan is an accomplished author who is particularly interested in the role of modern Hakka women. In her book, Taiwan's Modern Hakka Woman, 台湾客家女性, she says traditional Hakka women are lauded for the ability to eat bitterness, to work hard, and bear children without complaint. As an author, she set out to find what modern Hakka women aspire to, their careers, family, and feelings. She interviewed women of different ages and backgrounds and found that they all had different values, but that in general, they are now more independent and likely to bring their traditional Hakka wisdom and tenacity to bear in business. Zhang says the future for Hakka women is bright as they are a life force like the sun, which gives warmth and light. Welcome back to our Hakka lesson of the day. I'm Joseph Lin.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong.
You know what? Recently we talk about food a lot, and some friends asked me, what I like the most as far as food. 他们会问我说我最喜欢吃什么，然后我想回答，可是因为我这个还没有学会啊，只会吃而已，所以要 Alice 来教我说我最爱吃什么什么那样子。
我最爱吃。
我最爱吃，爱就是 love 爱吃。Oh, so that's how you say it. Okay, so for instance, I love all sorts of food, but the best food that can go with any type of food, okay, is fried rice.
No.
Let's learn this right now.
来
Okay?
我最爱吃炒饭。
我最爱吃炒饭。炒饭跟它炒起啊，但是做胖的哦，很香哦。Fried rice 是很香 it's got a very good aroma, but it sounds like in Taiwanese, like, it doesn't smell too good. 炒饭 Okay, so let's give some examples like 肉丝炒饭。
我最爱吃肉絲炒飯。
我最愛吃肉絲炒飯 Okay, that's shredded pork fried rice. How about 青椒炒飯
Okay, 我最愛吃青辣椒的炒飯。
我最愛吃長辣椒的炒飯。
炒飯。
And finally, my favorite, 鳳梨炒飯。
我最愛吃黃梨炒飯。
我最愛吃鳳梨炒飯。That does it for another food lesson in Hakka right here on ICRT.
什麼大家？
俺自細長來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製，邀您一起體驗另一種不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Commission of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.